I am in my bathroom and we have been having nasty black chunks come out of our jetted tub. I have cleaned and cleaned and cleaned the jets many times using bleach and dishwashing detergent, no at the same time, but I still was getting chunks and I couldn't figure out what was going on. Well, I kept having this drip, which I thought was rust because we have a rust problem at this house, although we have a whole house filter, but the filter wasn't working, so I thought it was the rust. I decided to do more research and found out you can pop off the jets and clean the jets. Wow. Okay. Fun. So, and you're not gonna believe what I found. Absolutely disgusting. I had this black gunk all around my jets, even though I've cleaned my tub many times trying to get rid of this black stuff. Okay, so I knew I had to clean the jets, but look at this. Oh my goodness. That is disgusting. Absolutely disgusting. There. Okay, so they're tight, but I can get them off. I don't think these have ever been cleaned. I didn't know you were supposed to clean it. But it was just caked on all of the jets. Now I will say, these jets were very difficult to get off. And I mean, very difficult. This little thing on mine pops off, and then you twist these. Well, let's see if I can get it. Super hard. Man, they're really in there. Might have to have one of the boys do it. Shoot. Okay, but we gotta get these off. That's disgusting. I worked and worked. I tried pliers. Jack came in. He worked and worked, tried to get them loose, couldn't get them loose. Finally, I think just with me messing with it so much, I finally got the jets to come out. I did get myself a really nice blister doing it because, I mean, it was really hard to get these out. But I was not about to take another bath without getting this cleaned. As a matter of fact, I was about ready to just rip out the whole bathtub and just put in a new tub. I hate jetted tubs. I absolutely hate jetted tubs.
So yeah.
We just have to burn the house down.
No.
Oh my. And I can't get that one off. But now I feel like I have to get it off because these were so nasty. I don't want to keep going. So, oh, it just gets better and better and better. Oh my. Oh my goodness. I just want to throw up. As a matter of fact, it's all I can do to keep from getting a hammer and demolishing this tub and getting rid of it. Oh, yuck. This video is brought to you by our Dining on a Dime cookbook. You can eat better, spend less with easy recipes that get you in and out of the kitchen fast. Your family will love. We are having our 25th anniversary sale, 40% off our cookbook. If you want to see what's in every single page of our cookbook, you can go to our sales page and see a video, and every single page is on there so you know exactly the recipes you're getting before you buy. You can get the link in the description below. Okay. Oh my goodness. Have I been sitting in that? Oh, yum. Yum, yum. All right, so we got them off, decided they were so dirty and we couldn't get inside to throw them in the dishwasher. Now everybody's gonna say, oh, you threw that in the dishwasher? What we did was we cleaned off all the big chunks. Let me rephrase that. Mike cleaned off all the big chunks. Well, I say we just put it in the dishwasher.
Probably be fine.
All right.
It's just the guts on the inside. Yum, yum. Delicious.
It's dinner time. Then we threw the pieces that had the residue left in the dishwasher on the sanitary cycle. Really no different than throwing in a moldy Tupperware container and let them wash for 4 hours in the dishwasher. Mike cleaned some of the jets. He cleaned the hunks off. Let's see. He cleaned the hunks off the jets. So we're sticking them in the dishwasher so we could get it super clean. Put the rest of them down here pointed down so that the water will spray it. We're going to put it on the extra sanitizing section.
You don't think they'll melt?
I don't think they'll melt. The company lady representative said to put them in there.
Well, if they melt, that'll make a great video.
Oh my goodness. If they melt, Dad's going to kill me. Now, this did come recommended from a manufacturer video that I saw on doing this. So I didn't just throw them in there willy-nilly. The manufacturer did say to throw these in the dishwasher. What I did was I filled the tub clear to the top with only hot water. I mean, it was hot. Our water heater set at like 130 or 40. I can't remember, 130 maybe. And I also added dishwasher detergent. So I let that run for the full 15 minutes.
I think that there might be junk in the pipes, but I think a lot of it is caught here because it got caught between the plastic pieces.
Well, I cleaned the pipes several times, but okay, should we turn them on here in like 1 minute?
See, that Alexa is coming that off there, but it's, I mean, not easy, obviously. I have to wonder if it's mostly here on the surface. I mean, it's probably some inside too, but water's too hot for me to put my hand in there too much.
I just put it only hot so that it would soften it.
Ooh. Yeah, that's very hot. Well, if it wasn't quite full, I could probably scrub these.
All right. All right, let's try and turn on the jets and see what
Probably
happens.
should have stopped it a little bit lower so I could have toothbrushed it out before you turn on the jets.
Well, I was letting it soak first.
Well, a big old black cloud out of there.
Okay, turn it on. Let's see what happens. You ready to turn it off quick?
That's about how you turn it on.
Just right here. And you run it without the jets. Then I let it soak for another 15 minutes. Then we drained it. This is what's left after we drained it. Okay, so we ran it through, getting closer, but gonna have to clean more of that. Oh, yummy. Yummy, yummy.
You keep using the word. I don't think it means what you think it means.
Then I put a little bit more dishwasher detergent in the bottom of the tub with some water. We scrubbed down all of the holes with a little bottle type brush, small bottle brush. And we got all of that cleaned. Then before I put all the pieces together, I ran the dishwasher with this specific hot tub cleaner, jetted tub cleaner. Okay, I got it all nice and shiny-ified, but I bought this jetted tub cleaner. I have run Clorox and all that kind of stuff, which I know you're not supposed to do, but I've done it anyway, hoping that would clear it. But now that it's cleared, I'm going to run this through and see if this will clean, see how bad it is. So I'm gonna do that right now so I can get my tub put back together. We are full. Here's a moment of truth. That's an awful lot of bubbles. Nothing's coming out at the moment. Okay, it's been running about 5 minutes. Really, there's nothing coming out, so I think just using the dishwasher soap works just fine. So I really wouldn't waste my money buying this special stuff. I mean, it's okay, but I would just use the dishwasher soap. I don't think there's anything in the lines. I think it was just all stuck in here. So I'm gonna let this finish 10 more minutes on the cycle. Then I'm gonna put my bathtub back together. And nothing came out. So I think We've got it all. I've run it several times with the jets just to see if I'm blowing stuff out. That sounds weird, but you know what I mean. Okay, oh my goodness. So you can see how clean it is. How clean it is. I'll put the jets back on tomorrow. And nothing has been coming out, so I think my jetted tub is finally clean.